Because when you're doing it hands-on, it just stays onto your mind, and and here it's the same concept, which I really like. It's not a bookish concept. The products are really nice. I think I've just purchased quite a bit of them. My son just likes to break things. Right now, haven't seen him make anything. So I think when I give him something like that, I like the turbo air and I like the splashing fountain. So for him to make something will be like an innovative thing for me.
I'm a mathematics teacher. Always mathematics is very boring and it's a phobia for all children. All the time chalkboard makes it very much boring to some of the kids, and every person learn differently. When we give them information they don't like it at all. And one person is talking. Our children are very much keen in going through the books. This is just my observation that because it is in a cartoon based and children like to read. Yeah.
I certainly found these books very, very interesting. The comic learning theme seems to be really entertaining for the children. It's not a boring textbook anymore, and the same concepts revealed in a different way, in a different format, with a different atmosphere entirely. The concept of learning is fun part, which we try very hard to provide at school, but these books seems to be a very good idea.
Now my son is in 7th standard. That's why I picked up this book. Now half the portion almost we have done. Now I'm using we because normally I take his studies, I help him in his studies. So I was just showing him, see, we have done this topic, we have done that topic. But one thing I really like is in textbook, whatever textbook is prescribed by the school, the topic is given, explanation is given, and hardly 1 or 2 diagrams are there. So now what happens, it is almost up to the teacher, how she teaches, and up to the child, how he grasps it, if you just go through the textbook. But in this book, if you read it like I found it, if you read it like even it's like a storybook, Yeah, even if you just go through it, you will learn many more things. Besides the textbook, what is there in the textbook, it is really, I found it nicely given and nicely explained in this book.
So it remains in your mind, as you rightly say.
Exactly.